Right, and our Jennifer Merrily is also live, keeping us updated. Jen, how's it going out there?
You know, here's what's interesting. Everywhere has a different scenario. So here in the North Loop of Minneapolis, it's pretty quiet outside of seeing, the cars driving by and some people out walking. We are having some of that swirling snow around us, but I'm not feeling that heavy wind like we heard just in Adam's live shot and in other places. I have a couple reminders though, because I've been watching drivers and watching people, and a couple reminders if you do choose to get out and about, which again is not recommended right now, but we have seen a number of cars driving here on the road, some of them going higher rates of speed, some of them taking it slow. We have seen some spinning wheels that people have been driving. The main road here on Washington is much better because people have been driving through it. But the side streets, there's a bus there, here's a plow that's coming. The side streets, if you look across the street right here, that hasn't been touched at all, and I just saw someone just about get stuck. One other reminder for drivers, if your car was out overnight and you have layers of snow on top of your car, make sure to brush that off before you get out on the roads. We already have the blowing snow, kind of the low visibility in some areas. I saw a huge chunk of snow just fly off a car, and that could really, be dangerous for someone else who's behind you or whatnot. So brush off that car before you get on the road, whether that's today or tomorrow or whenever you decide to venture out. I've also seen a lot of people out walking their dogs, which is really nice. They say the pups have been enjoying it and having fun, some of them even rolling around. But I also saw a guy slip and fall. So it is slick out here. The snow feels kind of heavy, but there are still slick spots. And so he went right down, got right back up, was a trooper. But something to keep in mind is just what you're putting on your feet as you're out walking around, and how you, and the routes that you're taking. Just be safe out there. One other thing I want to note, I don't know if you can see those lights on that building. Folks are there going to a Barry's workout class. So I'm very impressed that people, this is a walking neighborhood in the North Loop. People are out and about doing their normal routines. They tell me, they say, well, it was close. I could walk and I could get in for a workout this morning. So that's what's happening over here right now. Pretty
impressive.
Quiet, but we are seeing some people
impressive
out
too.
and about.
Also,
for now, we'll send it back to you in the
Merrily.
studio.
Yes. Welcome back on this snowy Sunday morning. Look at this time lapse we set up last night on our rooftop patio. You can see things look a lot different than they did last night. Watch it again. Boom, boom, boom. Snow is falling and falling and falling and continues to fall this morning. We are also getting a look at conditions in Woodbury. That's where our Chris Schaefer is filing a report from.
Hey there, it's WCCO Chief Meteorologist Chris Schaefer. So let's put it to a vote. What's scarier? This? Chucky! Ah! Or this tundra that we have out here? I'm gonna grab my trusty old Minnesota Vikings tape measure. I got it set at about a foot here, and so far in Woodbury, we're at about 8 inches. The trouble is, it's drifting in areas. This is this morning. It's about 8 o'clock right now. The wind has really picked up overnight, you could tell. So we have areas where you may have bare driveway today, and others where you're staring at the tundra. It's a bit like the planet Hoth out here. The wind is going to stay strong. The snow is going to continue to accumulate. If I were you, I would shovel or snow blow in rounds, because it will continue for the next several hours. And we're all over this storm with WCCO. We'll be keeping you updated on WCCO Television, CBS News Minnesota, WCCO.com, and of course you can download our CBS app. Good luck out there.
Right, live report from Chris Schaefer in Woodbury.
Good to see the east side this morning.
Yes.
Okay, well, our meteorologists are all over it. So are our viewers. We are getting photos. You've been sending them in. Let's take a look right now. We're getting some great images and videos across the state. This is Zuma enjoying the snow this morning. Our assistant news director, Patrick, sent this video in of this precious pup.
Everyone, the entire newsroom is involved in this. This is great. Another dog ready to enjoy the fresh powder. Patricia Fitzgerald sent us this photo from Roseville. That's her bloodhound, Renegade, waiting for someone to throw the ball, of course.
I'm glad to see the pups are loving this. Here's another photo. This one is from Blaine. Look at that bird finding some shelter at the bird feeder. Thanks to Margaret Hanley for sending this in. She says the birds are hungry. And she says, you know what? They don't mind the snow. It's kind of like Elsa from Frozen. The cold never bothered us anyway. Look at this. Our Frankie McClister has been taking suggestions for names for people to write, but some people have beat him to it. He's been writing names in the snow, taking out shout outs. This is a photo sent to us from St. Peter, Minnesota. Tom Huber celebrating his grandson Finley's 3rd birthday.
Oh, that's great.
Finley, no stranger to snow. He actually lives in Denmark. We've asked the whole WCCO team to give us their visions, whatever they're seeing this morning.
And
it's
they've
all
delivered.
Hands on deck. Oh, yes. Look at what Jeff Wagner just showed us from New Brighton.
And good morning from New Brighton, almost 10 a.m. and I'm joined by my co-reporter, a penguin, 5.5 months old, named Emiliana Estelle Wagner, who isn't quite sure about all this white stuff that keeps falling. Definitely the biggest snowfall of your lifetime, would you say? I think she's having a little bit of fun. We're getting a smile. So let's talk about how my day usually starts with her. Oh, you're talking too? Oh, we have a creek in our backyard in New Brighton, and you can see the ducks. They're not bothered by this weather. We got some geese out here too, so Emiliana and I like to watch the animals in the creek. Hard to tell, but across the way, our neighbors are sledding in the backyard, and it's just a regular winter wonderland as we look around. More from this cutie. This is her first real snowstorm. I wish we had something that was a little more waterproof so we could spend more time outside, but I think she's enjoying herself. All right, Daddy's gonna take over for the rest of the report, okay? Hand off to my loving wife, Jen. Wave to everybody. Oh, they're having fun. That was a special moment. Okay, time to do a little bit of reporting for you here. I got the old measuring tape out. Whoa, almost dropped it. Let me get my hands in order here. Bear with me, everybody. It's hard when you're at one point holding a baby and then not. This is great TV, everyone. Are we gonna edit this? Okay. So when I checked in at about 6:30 this morning, we only had about 5 inches of snow in the yard. Let's see what we're working with right now. Okay, yeah, it didn't make a big change. Only about 6 inches of snow in the yard. Hands are getting slippery. But I was getting different readings all around the house. So I'll take you up to the front of the house because that's where our driveway is. Oh man, this snow is heavy. I know they said this would be the packing snow. I've yet to tackle the driveway, so I know that'll be its own adventure. All right, time to do a driveway measurement. Whoa, almost fell through a drift there. 5 inches in the driveway. Oh, looking out towards Long Lake Road. Plow trucks have been working since 10 p.m. last night. When I checked in at 6:30, they were really the only people I saw driving. It is a regular winter wonderland out here, blowing in a lot of different directions. And now it's time for me to get to work, round one of snow blowing this driveway, which you don't even know where it is at this point, but I swear it's underneath me. Long day ahead. Live in New Brighton, well, not live. Jeff Wagner, WCCO News.
A lot of people looking for their driveways.
Oh my gosh,
Yes.
talk about a snow angel, Emiliana.
Emiliana,
Wow.
and great to see Jeff's wife,
I know,
Jen.
and thank you,
that's very
Jen.
cool.
Yes, that was so
great
wonderful.
family, best family live shot of the morning.
Yes,
Yes,
and I hope
okay.
that you at home are getting to enjoy a little bit, just like the Wagner family.